Really?
Rolling.
Alright, filling this thing up with gas. We got a 60 horsepower Evinrude. Has been ran 7-8 years. Oh, there's my gas again. 2-stroke. Done the once over. Made, hooked up the battery, made sure the pump still works. We're just going to start it up without any water hooked up just to see if we can get it running. We need to find the pedal for the trolling motor. There's no water in it. I mean, it seems to be okay, but for how old it is, hoping it will run so we can use it. Almost done with the gas, come on. Only putting 1 gallon in it. It was stored with no gas in the carbs or in the gas tank, so that's good to know. We had to get a new primer for it. That was junk. Make sure that that doesn't leak. Oh, I can hear gas flowing through.
You on Instagram Live?
YouTube.
No. YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
You have your own YouTube channel?
No.
He's put a couple things up though.
Alright. Oh, I can hear it going through the carbs. Jen, I can hear it going through the carbs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Alright, I'll grab the phone because we're going to switch it. Yep, alright, we're all primed up. It's nice and, the primer got nice and solid. The battery's all hooked up? Oh, alright. Let's just hook up these positives.
You guys need a hose?
No, we're just going to dry fire it for, Dad said dry fire just a minute. Should be okay. Just to see if we can get it started.
Gonna do it with the cover off? I don't think you start it in gear.
I might not have had it up enough. Alright, there we go.
No! Don't aim at me!
Oh,
No!
I learned about this.
I got you!
The electric choke.
We were just playing around with the bunch of balloons and the I am so sorry! Yeah! Ready? Yeah! Take that! Hey, guess what?
Whoa! Whoa! I wonder if it's the battery. Hey! Is it on?
Ooh, is that started?
Yeah! I'm pretty. I think that's how you go.
Yeah, but it's not like taking over. Which way?
Reese, what's your favorite color of these lunch balloons? This color.
I don't know which way the electric's going.
You got smoke coming out.
You got the choke on?
Does the bilge pump have to be on?